Hi, I'm Wongster1970, and today I'm going to be unboxing and setting up the Bambu Labs P2S 3D printer. I purchased this directly from Bambu Labs. So let's get started. We got a quick start guide. Scan this QR code for detailed unboxing instructions. And we got some lubricating oil, lubricant grease for scraper. It's replacement hot end, I guess. Oh, it's a silicone cover. Not sure what's in here. Got a nozzle cleaning tool, couple Allen wrenches. Not sure what that is either. I'm gonna have to look at the instructions. I'm gonna take this styrofoam out. Lift this out. The instructions. Lift up. Gotta lift both of these up and pull this out of the box. Put some packaging bubble wrap in here. See if I can lift this up. Set this on the ground temporarily. Okay. According to the instructions, I'm supposed to remove this, set this out of the way, put it in the box, I won't break it. Accessory toolbox, and the top phone. Let's remove the phone from here. There we go. And lift this out. Oh, one more. I got this thing packaged in there good. And in front. There's two Allen screws down here. They're not Allens, they look like there might be hexes. This is the longer Allen. This come off? No. I gotta lift this up and out then. I'm gonna be lifting out the AMS 2 Pro unit. So I'm gonna be removing these 3 screws. Lift this up and out of the way. Move the foam except for that underneath the heat bed. So this, and that's not going to come out yet, is it? Maybe. There we go. There's a screw back here. Probably can't see that from up there. There's one right in the very back. Pull down the red plastic protectors at the top of both right Z-axis lead screws and remove them. I got one of these out. Here's the other one. This is just to pull down and remove. Next, I'm going to be cutting all the zip ties that hold the print head in place. Next, I'm going to remove the tape holding this cable in place. I have to get the control panel. Here's the control panel. I got to take it out of this bag. The cable is going to plug right into that slot there. There's the cable installed. It'll clip into place. And then just slide this in. There we go. Control panel is installed. Setting the glass back on. There we go. It should just sit right on top of there like that. Now I'm going to be removing this cable, this tube. That is the PTFE. Release the tube fixed to the back of the printer, insert its free end into the PTFE tube coupler on the printer. There we go. Then it's secure, just push that in place. Here are 3 cables. I'm going to pull the medium length one out of this and then put it in here and down here. One end of the cable goes in here, and then I'm putting the other one down in here. Just pushes in place. I'll put one end in here. And then the other end down here. Next I'm supposed to lift this up, remove the tape here, along with these 2 desiccant packs. And this foam in the front. Here's the packaging from the desiccant bags. Put them back in here. Guess all 4 of them. And they go back in there. Okay, I'm done with that. Next, I'm going to be installing this spool holder, and that just slides in here in place. And then the PTFE tube holder goes on top of that, and it looks like it goes facing outward, like so. That clicks into place. Okay, now I'm supposed to connect this shorter tube, one end into here, like so, and the other end will go down here, and there like that. Get a cable tie and all this up and out of the way. Okay, it says before powering on, make sure that your voltage is set to the correct and only see 100 to 110. The foam here, and here can be removed once the printer goes through a calibration. initializing. That glare off of there. Okay. Whoa. Scary. Select English. Next. North America. Agree to terms. Join. I think I've removed all those screws. They're all gone. I'm going to go through calibration. See if I can pull this out while that's going up. There we go. Well, I'm going to let this go for a while, then come back and check on it. Well, that'll do it for unboxing and setting up the Bambu Labs P2S 3D printer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and stay safe. Thanks for watching.